Here you go. This is from my deck. Connie just came and plowed the road. We got some snow. January 2023.